Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life and welcome back to my channel. This is a process video for Off the Board with Pineapple Papers, where we go ahead and take one of our boards and scrap lift it, do whatever it is, sketch. So I did this one from Erica Breeslin, and it is for paper issues. I started out wanting to do it exactly the way it is, and then I kind of went off on my own. So I keep some of this stuff and I took inspiration. So that's the kind of thing that I like about doing like why I like doing sketches or layouts and kind of like scrap lift them, because you can still do them the way you want them to be done, right? Like a lot of times it's just for inspiration. So I absolutely love how this one actually turned out. This is one of the collections from Close to My Heart, and it's the In Bloom collection that I absolutely love. So I get out my paint stick and I use some of the paint sticks, that's out of my stash. Now normally I would use, like my Close to My Heart inks or whatever, but I wanted a little bit more of a paint splatter versus like an ink splatter, and because I'm starting to pack, so I don't have everything out and available for me. So this is the easiest for me. So here I am, I'm just placing all of my splatters the way I want them, and I had to wait for it to dry. So I come back and here is my daughter. It's the same photo, but one is black and white, the other one is colored. And I decided to just back it with one color, or one of the pattern papers I should say. And I am using the workshop kit, and you guys know me, I don't ever follow the instructions correctly, so there is always instructions to these for you guys that would like to do the instructions. They're definitely there for you, or you can do like me and kind of do whatever you feel like doing when you get the collections, right? Sorry about my allergies and stuff. They're still kind of they're bad. I'm not even going to try to justify other than they're bad yet. So I'm just placing down all of these like different little things that I want on there. There are 2 note cards and then this noted piece that I will be writing like my sassy little remark for this child of mine, and that'll be done for a little bit later on. But what I'm going to do is that I took the circle theme, and she took and decided to do the stars off that one side. So I started off with that one side. Like you can see that I kind of put a little bit there and then went. Well, then it just gets where I do it all over. And I took so these little die cuts are out of the workshop kit. And some of them had like a big white border that Close to My Heart likes to put on theirs. And for me, I wanted it just to be the flower and not have all that white border. So I went in fussy cut and got rid of all of the white space on it so that it adds a little bit more something else to it, right? So here I am. I'm taking now the black pieces and I'm just kind of tweaking the system of where I want things, and like where I want the leaves and all of this fun stuff. This actually only took me, this layout with the fussy cutting off camera and just putting this together, only took me 25 minutes, y'all. That actually, I was amazed. I was completely amazed to be like 25 minutes. That was just like super cool to me. But I don't even put a title on this. I don't want a title on it. I just wanted it to look without it. I feel like this is a companion page to the one that I did with the diamond shaped ones that I did a couple days ago, because this is going up on Wednesday, so Sunday. And I just like how it turns out. So here I am. I'm like looking at that. That doesn't look good. So you'll see what I do here in a second. I'm actually zooming with some of my crafty friends, because on Sunday I was like, I am so far behind, and I just wanted to knock out like 3-4 layouts and get it up on my channel because I don't have any design team stuff this week. It's all collaborations. So I'm like, I'm going to knock all these out. But if anybody wants to join me, you can. So I had quite a bit. So then you'll see me. I asked, and they're like, oh, you need to do the other things first. So I'm like, okay, then that's what I'm going to do. And then that is pretty much it. Now make sure that you go check out everybody. I am so close to 3,000 subscribers. I would love to have you so that I could give away my 3,000 subscriber giveaway. Here I am doing my, I swear, I do it in all of them. It's a kick that I'm on right now. I don't know if it'll ever stop, but for right now, we're going to roll with it. And yeah, so the still shots are coming up. Make sure that you like and subscribe to everybody. It would help out our channels greatly. I would love for you guys to check out this collection. It is super awesome, super amazing, and all the links and stuff will be down below. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.